Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Have you ever wondered how a powerful, spinning tornado forms and what makes it so destructive? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of tornadoes and learn how they happen.
Baba, look! Those kites are flying so high. It's almost touching the clouds.
That's great, Sorrow.
Baba, why is the wind getting so strong? It was calm just a moment ago.
The weather's changing quickly. Those dark clouds are a sign of a thunderstorm. Let's pack up and head to the car.
Baba, what if a tornado comes? I've heard they're super powerful.
Tornadoes are strong spinning winds, like a giant funnel stretching from the sky to the ground. Let's get to safety first, and I'll tell you more on the way home.
Baba, look at that cloud! It's spinning! Is that a tornado?
Not yet, Mina. Tornadoes form when warm, moist air from the ground meets cold, dry air from above. This causes the air to spin. If that spinning air touches the ground, it becomes a tornado.
So, it's like a spinning top in the sky?
Exactly, but much more powerful. Tornadoes can have winds strong enough to pick up cars or even tear down houses.
That's scary. How can we stay safe?
Good question. If you're ever in a tornado, go to a basement or a room without windows. Always listen to weather alerts, and stay indoors until it's safe.
Looks like the storm's over. Did you guys see anything cool?
We saw spinning clouds. Baba said it could have turned into a tornado. And we learned how tornadoes form. Warm air, cold air, and spinning wind.
That's right. Tornadoes are measured on the EF scale, from EF0 to EF5. EF0 is like a strong breeze, but EF5 can destroy entire towns.
How do scientists know when a tornado is coming?
Meteorologists use radar and weather balloons to track storms. They issue tornado watches and warnings to keep people safe.
Hey Mina, let's play a game. I'll say tornado watch or tornado warning, and you tell me what to do. Ready?
Ready!
Tornado watch.
Be alert and stay indoors.
Correct. Tornado warning.
Take cover in a safe room or basement.
Great job, Mina. Now you're a tornado safety expert.
I'm glad you two learned so much today. Tornadoes are fascinating, but it's important to respect their power and know how to stay safe.
And now we know! Warm air, cold air, and spinning winds make a tornado. And we should always listen to warnings and find a safe place.
That's right. You're both storm smart now.
Now it's the time for quiz. Are you ready for a fun quiz to test what you've learned about tornadoes? Let's see if you've got what it takes. It's quiz time. What causes a tornado to form? Is it A. Wind blowing in one direction, B. Warm air meeting cold air, C. Heavy rain? The answer is B. Warm air meeting cold air. When warm air meets cold air, the air begins to spin and create the powerful funnel we know as a tornado. What should you do during a tornado warning? Should you A. Stay outside, B. Take cover in a basement, C. Watch the tornado? The correct answer is B. Take cover in a basement. During a tornado warning, always seek shelter in a basement or an interior room away from windows. Now, what exactly is a tornado? Is it A. A spinning column of air, B. A thunderstorm, C. A heavy rainstorm? The answer is A. A spinning column of air. A tornado is a violent rotating column of air that extends from the cloud to the ground. Which scale measures the strength of tornadoes? Is it the A. EF scale, B. Wind speed scale, C. Temperature scale? The right answer is A. EF scale. The EF scale, Enhanced Fujita scale, is used to measure the strength of tornadoes based on the damage they cause. Last question. What is a tornado watch? Is it A. A warning to take cover, B. A sign to be alert, C. A signal to evacuate? The correct answer is B. A sign to be alert for a tornado. A tornado watch means conditions are right for a tornado to form, so be on alert and stay prepared. Have you ever wondered how massive storms called hurricanes form and why they're so powerful? Next time, we'll dive into the world of severe weather and uncover the mysteries of hurricanes. Don't miss it!